Alright, so we got more rain footage. This one's titled Meet Rain, so I'm guessing this is more of his personality, and I'm assuming more gameplay action as well. So with that being said, let's take a look. And it looks like he's gonna be fighting Johnny in this as well.
Better wear your coat. Bring that umbrella. Because today, there's a 100% chance of rain. So we begin the party. An orphan, raised by a poor family.
Oh, okay, now I
Dreams
get
and a
it.
future to look forward to.
Ooh.
That's why he joined Adinia's army. It was a perfect fit.
Oh, he's narrating it.
Strategic genius and battlefield mastery made him a household name.
Whew.
But all that fame and glory wasn't enough. Rain still hungered for more. And that hunger became obsession. When he learned the true identity of his father, the god Argus, the protector of Adinia. Once Rain learned he was a half-god, he set his sights higher. Now, he's out to take his rightful place in the
Wow.
Pantheon.
He sat on
If he
water.
has to, he'll take it by force.
Oh my goodness. Listen, Jesus walked on water, but rain sat on the water. That is insane. But yo, so okay, so Johnny was narrating Rain's story. Okay, that makes sense. But yeah, nice to know about this for any new MK fans. But yes, I cannot wait to see Melina. I believe she's coming later this week, so I'm about to react to that as soon as possible when it drops. But guys, leave your comments below, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Sean Matthew underscore. Take care.